True 3 bedrooms with this kind of flexibility don't come around often here in Oak Park. Come on in and check it out. Tucked on a quiet, tree-lined street, you get that calm neighborhood feel without giving up the convenience of being right in the center of it all. The front yard is a blank canvas. Garden, entertaining space, curb appeal, the possibilities are endless. Step inside and you can feel how naturally everything connects. The living room with fireplace flows into the dining area and kitchen, creating a layout that just makes sense for everyday living. And that separate family room, it's the kind of bonus space you don't often see around here. With 3 true bedrooms, you have the flexibility to make the home work for your life, whether that's space for kids, guests, or a dedicated home office. And here's where it gets interesting: a separate converted garage with its own entrance, ideal for extended living, visiting guests, or more. You're right in the middle of everything that makes Sacramento so easy to love. Local restaurants, neighborhood coffee shops, shopping and entertainment, all just minutes away. With UC Davis Medical Center nearby and quick access to Highway 50 and 99, getting anywhere in the city feels effortless. If you've been waiting for something that just feels right, this might be it. A versatile home in one of Sacramento's most connected neighborhoods with the kind of flexibility that's hard to find. Reach out to schedule a private showing or come see it in person. I'd love to walk you through it.